Scary as hell, man. It's Tuesday. Nana, you enjoying it?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Teniola, aka TT, and I'm back with another video. Well, today's video is going to be a vlog because it's Easter and then we have some activities. We're actually in the hometown Keta, so we have some activities that we're going to go on with today. So stay tuned. If you're a new subscriber, hi, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And those of you that watch my videos and do not subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let's just get right into the video and let's see where today takes us to. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys a full fit in a bit. Just hold on.
Outfit check, guys. So this is my outfit. Simple, nice. This is Fiend. Short for us, and then that's Tenny. Let's go. Tenny, give us a 360, please. Woo! Oof. We have Abena's beautiful hair. Abena, how do you feel about your hair? So pretty. They were making breakfast now. Omelets right here. Are these omelets? See, I won't say rubbish. Mimi, what do you think about today's activities? Huh?
It's going to be fun.
It's going to be fun. Pearl, what do you think about today's activities? Are you shy? Oh yeah, look at me. Look at me. Don't look at the camera. Look at me. Oh yeah, what do you think about today's activity? Pearl has no words. But so what are you doing up there?
I'm taking plates because I'm high senior.
Okay. Then we have Auntie over there. We have Selassie. Last people on the vlog that haven't been seen. Guys, that's Shayo. This is Finn.
That's me.
And I'm sure. Hi guys.
So we're already moving. We're going, I don't know, the first location I think is the art exhibition. Everybody say hi! Sure is missing in action. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to show you guys when we get to the art exhibition. Everybody, this is Mimi and she doesn't want me to vlog. This is Abna. Okay, you've seen her in the first clip. What's your name? Okay. So yeah, so we're going to go right now. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Everybody taking pictures at the back. Auntie, say hi. Shore, say hi. Auntie, say hi.
Hey!
Professor of Development Sociology, has been Director of the Institute of African Studies, IAS, at the University of Ghana since August 2016. Before this, she was based at the Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research, ISSER, during which time she was Deputy Director and Director of the Center for Gender Studies and Advocacy, Sigenza at the University of Ghana. She has a PhD in social science from Leiden University in the Netherlands. In a career spanning over 30 years, Professor Keta's teaching, research, and publications have been in the area of gender and development policies and practices, the politics and livelihood effects of land tenure reforms, large-scale land acquisitions and agricultural commercialization, and informal labor relations and conditions of work. She has extensive experience with leading multidisciplinary and multinational research projects, supervising student theses, and examining postgraduate theses.
Hi everybody, so we just finished from the first location. We're going on to the next. I don't know. Well, you guys enjoyed the first one? Ah, eh?
Yes, we did.
Yes, because
the only part I enjoyed was seeing Mr. Tabo.
yeah, he's a cute old man. But yeah, we're
smiling, so yeah.
We're going to the next location.
Hi guys, we're at our second location for the day. We're at Regatta Island. We're at boat regatta on Vodza Island. And we are going to be going on a boat, and we're going to be touring the island. As you can see, it's over there. So we're going to take a boat there. Yeah, stay tuned. So guys, we're going on the boat. That's our boat right there. It's coming. Can you say hi? How do you feel? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes, this is what it says. Regatta, Vodza Regatta adult tickets. I can't wait.
This is scary as hell, man. It's Chelsea. Nana, you enjoying it?
Fee, I swear it's tilting too much.
Private island vibes.
Private island vibes. Look at me.
Pretty face, perfect body.